Greetings and welcome. Here was a wash day where I did a straightening. And if you're interested in seeing how I did that, stay tuned, subscribe, and like this video. So yes, I straightened my hair this day using my Revair hair dryer. And if you don't know about the Revair, it is this gadget here that I'm holding. It is a reverse air hair dryer that sucks your hair dry, and I absolutely love this tool. I love this tool. It's not sponsored. I purchased this with my own money because it is worth it, and I knew it would save my hair. My hair absolutely loves this dryer. It keeps my hair moisturized as it's drying, and it straightens so soft and silky. With this dryer, I don't have to use any tools like a comb or a brush. I get the perfect stretch. And by the way, I don't have any product at all in my hair. Also, my roots get really stretched out nicely with this dryer. I use the highest tension, which is the highest pulling setting, and also the highest heat. However, my hair does not feel hot at all when I use this dryer. My hair is sectioned off in attempts to do a flat ironing. I just purchased this flat iron because I am ready to straighten my hair today. I have no product in my hair whatsoever, which is unheard of for me. My hair feels so dry and squeaky. I'm having a hard time combing through, but I'm being very gentle to avoid any breakage. I am about to use some heat protectant to get this flat ironing going. I have this iron turned all the way up, and I am planning to run through each strand very quickly. And my hair is already pretty straight as it is. I had to look at it because it felt like nothing. Like my hair was not hot at all. I don't know what that is, but it makes you want to go over it again. So I did. And yes, it's hot. See, I was supposed to do one pass on each section. That's what I get. I was hating the dryness of my hair. It was hard to detangle with it being so dry, so stiff, so squeaky. I had to spray this spray in my hands just to try to get some slip for detangling. And this heat protectant feels like I'm spraying wet air onto my hair. It feels like nothing. I see, yeah, I guess it's doing something. It's getting straight. But I don't feel the heat on my hair at all, which is a good thing, I guess. But it definitely did burn my thumb. So essentially, it looks just like a really good blowout, and it's light and airy and fluffy and soft. I really love it, but I'm really wanting to put some shea butter in it or something. I don't really need it to fluff around. I just don't want it to be so dry. But overall, I'm enjoying it and I'm loving it.